Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G10. Today I'll show you how to manage Google Pay. So let's open Google Pay app firstly. Then tap on Get Started. As you can see, this is the main screen of Google Pay. By tapping right here, you can add a payment method, and here you can add debit or credit card, loyalty card, gift card and transit card. Tap 3 lines horizontal button to get access to your payment methods, participating banks, and activity. In settings, you can control email updates, Gmail imports, you can edit your account info and privacy controls. You can also turn on or off purchases notifications, updates about your passes, and offers and tips notifications. Also, we've got contactless setup, help and support, and you can send feedback. If you tap right here, you got access to your Google account. And that's all for managing Google Pay. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.